Well, FESPA was an important exhibition for us to be present with all our digital solutions. We have brought here to the exhibition Colaris-NF. NF means for Narrow Fabircs. We have also demo material, ready-made fabrics and samples for the standard wider width fabrics, for fashion, for home textile, for decorative products, etc. And we have also brought samples for all our carpet manufacturing lines to the show. So we can show practically the complete broad range from fashion fabrics down to the heavy pile, carpet and flooring substrates, and all in a small booth. Well, frankly speaking, I was quite surprised on the first day. We had already a good participation, and the number of customers was well beyond the expectations we had. And it covers not only the narrow fabrics for which we have brought the machine in, it's also covering good participants of flat standard textile fabrics, but also for the carpet industries. So we have selected the right exhibition, as it looks like, and we hope that we will get also some positive response after the exhibition, not just as an introduction today, but I'm very confident also for the future of this coming weeks and months, because work after an exhibition is always to follow up and make it materialize in what you feel and experience in the exhibition itself. Yes, it's correct. It's more and more important to get economical solutions. All our customers are getting more and more under pressure from the market. Prices are getting tougher and tougher, and one cannot compensate such price reductions just by the machinery. One has to look into the technology, find new ways of manufacturing and production, and this is actually what Zimmer is concentrating on. We have a strong R&D team, we have a huge R&D department with well-equipped laboratories, and this way, together with chemical manufacturers, we are reaching levels of manufacturing costs which have not been matched so far, and this is what we will offer and can offer to our customers today. The new thickening system is a synthetic thickener, water-based. The advantage is that it is easier to wash off after the printing. That means you have less energy consumption. It's less polluting at the end of the day, because easier wash off means less water consumption, so it's a more economical solution. And another real advantage is that the color buildup is much better compared to the previously used synthetic thickeners, which were oil-based. So here there is a huge potential in terms of cost saving, and giving also the advantage of brighter and stronger colors wherever necessary. Colaris-NF is a print line. It can be as a standalone printer like we see here on the exhibition, but it can also be integrated in a complete line, which means inline pre-treatment, drying of the substrate, printing at the front as well as on the back side simultaneously. It can do printing on one side, dyeing, digital dyeing on the other side, or digital dyeing as such front and back side. You can have one color on one side, another color on the other side. So it offers a big variety of different products. You can have from rigid tapes down to elastics for garmenting and underwear. Practically anything that is being produced as a narrow fabric with width up to 20 centimeters. Standard up to 7 centimeters, but we have also wider width solutions available if it is required by a customer and necessary. Well, the Turkish market, we have not yet really analyzed the potential of the market, but we know that there are narrow fabrics manufacturers, and we are very confident that the near future this will also be a target market, because there is a lot of garment manufacturing, there is a lot of home textile manufacturing, and in all these products narrow fabrics are required. But of course also automotive industries is there, technical textile is there in Turkey. So all these market segments really need narrow fabrics and printing of narrow fabrics. So we are very confident that also the Turkish market will be an interesting target for us for the narrow fabric printing line. Turkish market is one of the strongest blanket manufacturing markets here in the European Middle East area. Blankets from Turkey used to be like any other market from acrylic fiber. Acrylic fiber has become very expensive, so it's more and more polyester today. And for this polyester market, we have very economical solutions to offer through the ChromoJet 800 printing solution, which you can use as a spot color as well as a process color system, making or giving new opportunities to customers where you can really have degradations, where you can have blended colors. You can print almost any design, even designs similar to photochromatic printing. So here new options are there on the market for qualities which were not available on the blanket market till date.